We just got off the Margaritaville Sea Islander and we stayed in a gorgeous Wakeview balcony cabin. The cabin's number is 5286, which puts that on deck 5. Again, this was a gorgeous cabin. We're going to give you a tour of the cabin and then make sure you stick around to the very end because we are going to share 2 tips with you that'll make a big difference if you book this cabin. Let's talk about it.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel.
Welcome to Monkey Love Travel. My name is Jason, and we just got back off of a 5-day cruise on the Margaritaville Sea Islander. We had a fantastic cruise, met a lot of great people, ate a lot of good food, stayed in a gorgeous cabin. We also had some hiccups. So make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. You're going to want to hear everything that we have coming over the next several weeks. And we even got another cruise planned in 3 weeks, which we're going to have even more content. So be sure to like and subscribe, hit that alarm bell. But without further ado, let's get straight into this tour. All right, Monkey Love fam, we are here. We're on the Margaritaville Sea Islander. We are staying in cabin 5268. 5268 is a Wakeview balcony room. This was actually our first in a Wakeview balcony. So let's start at the very beginning. You can see here's your safety instructions on the back of the door. We have closets on the left. Big hangers. Oh, thick hangers. So you can see plenty of storage in there. Second cabinet here, more storage. Yeah, these are some big bulky hangers. Third one, you have your life vests up top. There is your safe. I'm assuming your instructions for your safe. There's some shelving down here. You have your mirror. Everybody. Check out the bathroom real quick. You got some hooks up top here. Hang there some robes maybe if you have robes. Here's your main light switch over here real quick. So off. Ooh, and on. There we go. Bathroom. Main light switch is going to be here. Again, it's nothing special about the balcony or the bathroom. Can't tell if that's a... Nope, it's alright. You got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash already provided for you. Unfortunately, it is the shower curtain, but we will make do. Only ever flush the toilet paper provided. Do not flush anything else. It's a cute little bathroom. It's tiny, but we're not going to spend a lot of time in here. Hopefully we'll be enjoying the ship, and other time that we are, we'll be out on the balcony most likely. Here's your little waste bin down there. Up here you have your spot if you have an electric razor. It can be plugged in up there. Alright. I like the decor.
Yeah, I do too. Nice and clean.
And yeah, and welcoming. Yep.
Island appropriate with the colors and...
Couch looks like it might be comfortable. Is it firm?
Yeah, it's firm, but it's comfortable. And I like the fact that if you spill something on this, it's not a big deal.
What did you say about these lights?
It's just a light. Your dumb wife is trying to open it.
Yeah, it looks like it would open.
Put the light bulb in, probably.
Is it turn on from the side or anything?
Right.
Oh, down there.
It's that
there
big
you go.
switch underneath.
That big switch. Yeah, the obvious white thing underneath of it.
Hey, is that what you say about me? It's as cool as it'll
be as cool as it's gonna be. Alright. We had picked up some ginger ale for the room. Got to purchase that through the ship though. Not allowed to bring on any beverages of any kind. Here you've got your hair dryer in here. Already plugged in. Okay.
Yeah, they always are.
Your phone, all your information. Got your regular outlet, European outlet. Full-length mirror. Hey, how you doing?
What's the light down being down?
Yeah, I'm not sure. The light's up. Yeah, test that out real quick. Hold on. It's gonna get dark for a second. Ooh. Let's take a.
What is the purpose of it? Oh, very cool.
That's kind of neat.
Yes, let's just hope it's not actually a two-way camera.
Yeah.
Because you know you watch too many documentaries.
Hello,
Oh.
I'm
there you go.
Margaritaville. Alejandra here on the microphone with more good news because right now all decks are ready. So 1 to 10 are ready right now. So all of you can go to your cabin, drop your luggage, freshen up, go and check it out because now they are ready. And also if you drop your luggage in the terminal, don't worry, we got you covered. Our housekeeping team.
All right. The announcement says stopped. All cabins are ready. They said it's just a little bit after 1. We were actually able to get here about 1, so that's pretty good. Let's finish up the tour here. Get your drawers. Plenty of drawer space. You got your stool under here. Looks like a pretty nice stool, and then your waste bin under there. Little center drawer. And your refrigerator, aka cooler, is right under here. Yeah, it's only cool.
Yeah, that's all I ever got.
Yeah. Yeah, your TV.
Oh, you didn't order waters. That's what's different.
You really don't have an option to order waters. You have to.
Can't do it all the time.
Well, you can order them, but you have to buy their cooler with it. So you get like 6 waters and a giant cooler for it's like $40.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It doesn't. It's not really worth it to me. So we'll get some ice.
I like this pouch. I think this is cute. Okay.
Licensed to chill, and I believe I will. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like how this one has a lot like the lights that run around the room, like the Pride did. Yeah.
But it's not pink.
Yeah, that's nothing.
I got used to it.
Bed looks nice and comfortable.
Yep. You like it? It's fun.
Here's your side table. You got your lamp here. You have, it looks like 2 USB, or this one's a USB-C and this one's a USB here. It turns on. Looks like you have another lamp over here. Same thing. USB-C on this side, USB here. On and off your lamp. The lamps are stationary. They are attached to the desk, the little side table. You have another light here, on and off. And let's check out the reason why we got this room. I can feel that it's warm already on the back here.
Wow.
So there you go. This is our Wakeview Cabin 5268.
We're next to a suite, I guess.
Yeah,
Over there on that side. Did you look over there on that side?
not yet. Oh yeah, definitely. We're right next to a suite. Look at that.
I just figured the biggest advantage to this room,
What's
I
that?
can sit on this deck and get sun.
Yep.
We have never been on a balcony before I could get sun on.
Yeah, this one, I feel like this is going to get a lot of sun out here.
Well, yeah.
Except at night. But I would definitely suggest when we're not using it, keep that curtain drawn.
Yeah, for sure.
and locked. That way it keeps the keeps the sun and the heat contained.
Kind of stinks to have to close this, but we'll definitely keep it cooler.
But there you have it. That is a tour of our cabin on the Margaritaville Sea Islander, cabin number 5268. If you have any questions, please comment below and we will be happy to answer them. Thanks for tuning in. So I hope you enjoyed that tour of our cabin. It was Wakeview Cabin 5286. And again, inside the cabin was absolutely gorgeous. Now, I promised you 2 tips if you're going to book this cabin for yourself. 1, you need to make sure that you're aware of that a Wakeview cabin, especially on the Margaritaville Sea Islander, is in the sun a lot. So we did have some minor issues. I mean, very minor. Nothing that was overly to be overly concerned about. Is that the cabin, if you left the curtain open, if you didn't draw those blinds, then with the cabin being in full sun most of the time, it's going to add some heat to your cabin, and your air conditioning is not going to be as effective. So that's tip number 1. Be aware of that if you're booking this cabin. Tip number 2. Okay, so the ship being at the back or the aft of the the cabin being at the aft of the ship, say that correctly, Jason, is, you will get some soot. So what I'm talking about this is that the soot, dries up on surfaces. When the temperature changes, okay, that soot will then break off and then falls down on the Wakeview cabins. It's not like it's drifting down and then sticking to the surface. It sticks on higher surfaces, and when the temperature changes, it breaks off and falls down onto your cabin. So it does leave, soot deposits on the furniture. Most of the time, they just pull the furniture all the way back so it has that slight overhang, right underneath that slight overhang. But you want to make sure you're aware of it because you don't want to go out there and sit in it because it'll stain your clothes. And, along with that is the decking, since it's in full sun, does get very hot. So make sure you're wearing shoes out there. But if you're someone who likes to sit out in the sun, it is a great place to sun without having to go all the way up onto the Lido deck. And if it's busy up there and not find a seat and you just want to soak in the sun, hey, you got a good opportunity on your Wakeview cabin. So there you have it. We have a lot of videos coming out on this particular ship. The Margaritaville Sea Islander is a fantastic ship. We loved it. Again, hit that like and subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos coming out about it. We even have a live coming out very soon. We're going to go over our full review. We hope you can join us. But in the meantime, why don't you check out this other video right up here that compares the Wakeview cabin that we stayed in now with the Carnival Pride, since they're in exactly same class of ship. Until next time, seize the day.
Monkey love, oh monkey love, travel. Pack your bags, let's hit the gravel.